キャンプ行きたい人、キャンプで美味しいご飯食べたい人、目死んでるよ。
From the garden, hear the clinging of the chimes, the last tomatoes hanging shriveled on the vines. The autumn breeze is just a promise of the freeze that's coming soon. The season's fleeting, the days are blurring into years, the lines retreating as every moment disappears. The stories end to leave, another to begin to start anew. And in 1,000 years, when all our bones have disappeared and every word has been erased, still the rivers flow, the sun will glow, the seeds will grow, the wind will come and blow it all away. 'Cause we are just a memory replaced. All the deadlines have come and gone without a sound. The saddest headlines are now just pigments on the ground. The battles fought, the lessons taught, they all are lost now in the end.
乾杯。
And every secret you ever guarded with your life, the stars will keep it. If all the photons should arrive, we're just a speck in time and space, just a fleck upon its face. And in 1,000 years, when all our bones have disappeared and every word has been erased, still the rivers flow, the sun will glow, the seeds will grow, the wind will come and blow it all away. 'Cause we are just a memory replaced. Free yourself, release yourself. The burdens that you carry all will topple in the end. And every bad decision that was weighing on your mind, every failed mission, every ladder left unclimbed, it all just blows away. And in 1,000 years, when all our bones have disappeared and every word has been erased, still the rivers flow, the sun will glow, the seeds will grow, the wind will come and blow it all away. Oh, through the centuries, the endless string of memories, through the progress and the waste, still the rivers flow, the sun will glow, the seeds will grow, the wind will come and blow it all away. 'Cause we are just a memory replaced.
あ、もういいよ。ちょっともう一回温めようか。10秒温める。多分でもここがぬるいかな。でもまあ暖かいか。
あったかいよ、そんだけ近い。
意外と うん、あったかいか。じゃあ
切っちゃうね、待って。
種類よいしょ。
美味しそう、トントロ。よかったか。味付いてるやつのが楽。味付いてるやつ楽で。
そうだね。あ、食べよう。いただきます。
ね。やめて、だって。
じゃあ、はいはい。
向こうにおいしそうだ。待ってね。あっち。待ってね、まなちゃん。
じゃあ、恐ろしいな。このスプーンのあちゃん使えるんだね。じゃあ、はい。
熱いんだよ、これ。しかも切れないし。
これあんじ
そのまま揚げてもよかった。熱いよね。
本当とか言っちゃえばいいんだよ。
デカトントロ油身少なかった。
そうか。
これにしよう。デカトントロ。包丁ごめん。ハサミちょっと待って。ご飯にさ混ぜてあげるトントロ。
これ？
味濃いでしょ、多分。
そうだ。できるか。
はい、まちゃ。落ちちゃったお肉。お肉落ちた。牛タンみたいこれ。
うん。焼き目がいい感じについちゃって。あれ、これ
タオルいいの使って。これまなちゃん一緒に食べて、こうやって。この辺置く？
ライナーもしょうがないでしょ。
全然。ここかける？あ、しょうが意味ないか。
じゃあ乾杯は？乾杯。
バイバイ。
はい。はい、あ、どうもありがとう。あ、はい、ありがとう。はい、どうも。ここね。まなちゃん初めてのテント泊だよ。まなちゃん。初めてのテント泊。どうですか？感想は。そう。
顔の前汚い。やめます。
いけやめろ。いいな、まちゃん、この明かりパパにちょうだい。どうぞ。
お布団の中入ったら？
じゃあ寝袋入ったら？
買ったんだけどわざわざ。
そうだよ。
入ってもらっていい？
入ってください。なんで立つの？
入らないならあれが一応着る毛布みたいなやつ持ってきたけどね。
大きな組。
A sticky summer's day in Shepherdstown, an eagle in a thermal eyes are circling around like a tire on a bike rolling down Columbus Street. But Katie got a little look of hope in her eyes, and her arms unfold, and she looked to the skies and said, I'm gonna learn to fly around with you, yeah. She jumped up high and she fell to the ground and skinned her little knee and made a horrible sound. She got right up and she tried it again, and smiling all the way with her unstoppable grin. Take time, do what you're gonna do, and just smile, you're gonna see it through. Your wings are gonna sprout and lift you off the ground. Oh no, take time, do what you're gonna do, just smile, you're gonna see it through. Your wings are gonna sprout and you will learn to fly. All the other children used to laugh at her. They say your head is in the clouds and when you come back to earth, the man in the white coat stayed on the bed for you. Katie knew that there was something they didn't see. She climbed up to the top of the sycamore tree.
いいよ、食べて。
I am gonna fly away.
手振ってないけど、君。
She's so tall with all the might. She's terrifying, legal and astonishing height. A wind blew through and it carried her high. And Katie knew she was just beginning to fly. Well, take time, do what you're gonna do, and just smile, you're gonna see it through. Your wings are gonna sprout and lift you off the ground. No, no, take time, do what you're gonna do, just smile, you're gonna see